So no one can get bhakti unless they surrender to Guru. Guru gives bhakti, bhakti lata bijam. Then when you have bhakti, then Krishna is pleased. Krishna is pleased when one surrenders to Guru because that's his order. So when you please Krishna and surrender to Guru and take Diksha, then Krishna becomes happy. Then you do bhakti bhajan under the order of Guru and seva of Guru and Hari, Shri Hari seva, Guru seva, Vaishnava seva. And Krishna becomes more Hari Toshanam. Hari becomes satisfied. Then he gives you more knowledge and more intelligence, devotional knowledge and devotional buddhi, spiritual buddhi and devotional buddhi to understand the Srimad Bhagavatam and all the tattvas of Krishna, consciousness. Tesham saratayuktanam bhajatam priti purvakam tadami buddhi yogam tam yena mama payanti te. So by God-given intelligence, by bhakti-derived intelligence, tadami buddhi yogam tam, I give the intelligence. By the mercy of Guru and by the mercy of Krishna, the disciple receives the intelligence. So with or without tikas, and with or without material intelligence, he can fully understand the meaning of Bhagavatam and surrender to the teachings of Bhagavatam and attain the perfection of Radha and Krishna's Prem Seva in the groves of Vrindavan and Madhurati, which is the goal of Srimad Bhagavatam. Radya Bhagavan Brajesha Tanayos Sridam Vrindavanam Ramya Kachirupasna Brajabudubhira Sakalpita. And then it says Shastram Pramanam Bhagavat Amalam Puranam Prema Martamahan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Vatamidam Natatra Ardhara. I don't care about any other idea. This is the viewpoint and teachings of Lord Chaitanya. And the goal is to serve Nandanandan in the way of Gopi Bhav, Ramya Upasana, and the Bhagavatam is declaring this. So we need this intelligence. We need this intelligence, and that is the main thing. So Krishna and Guru gives this intelligence